Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tech reviews and travel tips. JoyTelecom eSIM review, staying connected on the go. Today we're taking a look at JoyTelecom's eSIM service. Check out the links in the description below if you're interested in learning more. JoyTelecom is an eSIM provider designed to simplify international travel for frequent flyers, business professionals, and digital nomads. Their service is perfect for individuals seeking reliable connectivity across various countries without the inconvenience of swapping physical SIM cards. Setting up JoyTelecom is a breeze. After purchasing your chosen data plan, you'll receive a QR code. Simply scan the code with your eSIM-compatible device, and in mere minutes you'll be connected, no paperwork, no physical SIM swaps, and no complications. One of JoyTelecom's key strengths is its flexibility. They provide a diverse range of data packages, from smaller plans ideal for short trips to larger bundles suitable for extended stays abroad. Whether you're a light data user or a heavy streamer, JoyTelecom offers options to accommodate your specific needs. During my testing, the network coverage proved robust in major metropolitan areas and popular tourist destinations, delivering stable, high-speed connections. Streaming, browsing, and using GPS navigation were all seamless experiences with minimal interruptions. While signal strength could be less consistent in rural or sparsely populated areas, it generally performed well in most locations. JoyTelecom's pricing is transparent and straightforward. You pay exactly what you see, with no hidden fees or surprise charges. This clear pricing structure is a significant advantage for travelers aiming to manage their expenses effectively. Moreover, JoyTelecom's online platform makes it effortless to monitor your data usage, top up your plan, or extend your coverage as needed, all achievable with just a few clicks. They also offer a comprehensive selection of both global and regional data plans, catering to travelers within specific continents or those traversing multiple regions. In conclusion, JoyTelecom's eSIM service is a highly practical solution for travelers seeking a simple and reliable way to maintain connectivity abroad. It's ideal for those who prioritize quick setup, solid performance, and transparent pricing. If you're in the market for a travel-friendly eSIM that's user-friendly and doesn't add complexity to your travel arrangements, JoyTelecom is definitely a worthwhile option to consider.